Have you ever noticed that the moment you step outside in the evening, mosquitoes seem to appear out of nowhere? You're enjoying a cup of tea on the balcony, having dinner in your backyard, or simply opening a window to let in some fresh air. And within minutes, you're scratching itchy bites. Mosquitoes are more than just annoying insects. They can ruin outdoor activities, disturb your sleep with their constant buzzing, and in many parts of the world, they can even spread dangerous diseases. That's why finding safe and effective ways to keep them away is so important. Most people immediately reach for chemical mosquito sprays or expensive repellents. But what if there were simple, natural alternatives that actually help reduce mosquito activity? The best part is that many of these methods use ingredients or plants that are inexpensive, easy to find, and have been trusted for generations. While natural remedies may not completely eliminate mosquitoes on their own, combining several of them can create a much less inviting environment for these unwanted pests. In today's video, we're revealing 7 smart natural mosquito-repelling hacks that are simple, affordable, and easy to try at home. Some of these tips work by masking the scents that attract mosquitoes, while others help prevent mosquitoes from breeding in the first place. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final hack is probably the easiest one on this list, yet surprisingly few people use it. It can make a huge difference, especially during the warmer months. Let's get started. The first natural mosquito-repelling hack is Citronella. Citronella has earned its reputation as one of the most popular natural mosquito repellents for a reason. It comes from a tropical grass and has a fresh citrus-like fragrance that helps confuse mosquitoes by masking the scents they use to locate people. You can use citronella candles while relaxing outdoors, place citronella torches around patios, or use diluted citronella essential oil on exposed skin after mixing it with a suitable carrier oil. Many people also add a few drops to outdoor diffusers during family gatherings. Although citronella doesn't kill mosquitoes, it helps make it much harder for them to find, especially when combined with other natural methods. The second smart hack is surrounding your home with mosquito-repelling plants. Nature has provided several beautiful plants whose natural fragrances mosquitoes dislike. Lavender, basil, peppermint, rosemary, marigolds, catnip, and lemongrass are excellent choices for gardens, balconies, patios, and even sunny windowsills. Besides helping reduce mosquito activity, these plants can make your outdoor spaces smell pleasant and look more attractive. If you're sitting outside, gently rubbing or crushing a few leaves releases more of their natural oils into the air, increasing their fragrance. While these plants won't create an invisible force field against mosquitoes, they work well as part of a complete natural mosquito control strategy. The third natural hack is using a simple lemon and clove combination. This old home remedy has been passed down for years because it's incredibly easy to make. Simply cut a fresh lemon in half and insert several whole cloves into the exposed fruit. Place the halves on outdoor tables, near windows, beside doorways, or anywhere mosquitoes tend to gather. The strong blend of citrus and clove aromas is believed to discourage mosquitoes from getting too close. Even though scientific results vary, many people enjoy using this trick because it's inexpensive, chemical-free, and also leaves a refreshing natural fragrance in the surrounding area. The fourth hack involves one of the most effective plant-based repellents available, lemon eucalyptus oil. Unlike many other essential oils, lemon eucalyptus oil has been studied extensively and has shown promising mosquito-repelling properties. When diluted properly with a carrier oil, it can provide protection for several hours. It can also be used in outdoor diffusers to help create a mosquito-unfriendly environment during evening gatherings. However, essential oils should always be used carefully. Never apply them directly to the skin without proper dilution. Avoid contact with the eyes, and always check safety recommendations for children and pets before use. The fifth and perhaps most important natural hack is removing standing water around your property. Many people spend money trying to repel mosquitoes without realizing they're accidentally breeding hundreds of them just outside their homes. Mosquitoes lay their eggs in still water, and it doesn't take much. A forgotten bucket, clogged rain gutter, old flower pot, pet bowl, bird bath, discarded tire, or even a bottle cap filled with rainwater can become a breeding site. By regularly emptying containers, cleaning gutters, changing bird bath water every few days, and making sure water doesn't collect around your home, you can dramatically reduce the mosquito population before it even has a chance to grow. This simple habit is one of the most effective long-term mosquito prevention methods. The sixth natural hack is burning mosquito-repelling herbs. If you're spending an evening around a fire pit or barbecue, try adding small amounts of dried rosemary, sage, lavender, or even mint onto the hot coals. These herbs release aromatic smoke that mosquitoes generally dislike, while creating a pleasant herbal scent for people. It's an easy trick that many campers and outdoor enthusiasts have used for years. Just remember to burn herbs only in safe outdoor areas with proper ventilation, and never leave any fire unattended. The seventh and final natural mosquito hack is using fans to create constant airflow. This may sound too simple to work, but mosquitoes are actually weak flyers. Even a small table fan can make it difficult for them to fly toward you. At the same time, moving air helps disperse the carbon dioxide and body odors that mosquitoes use to detect humans. Whether you're enjoying dinner on the patio, reading on your porch, or working outside, placing a fan nearby can significantly reduce the number of mosquitoes buzzing around you. It's one of the easiest, safest, and most affordable mosquito-repelling tricks anyone can use. Now here's an extra bonus tip. Wear light-colored clothing whenever possible, especially during dawn and dusk when mosquitoes are most active. Mosquitoes are generally more attracted to darker colors because they absorb more heat and stand out against the environment. Loose-fitting clothing that covers your arms and legs also creates an extra barrier against mosquito bites while keeping you comfortable outdoors. As you've probably noticed, no single natural remedy is perfect on its own. The real secret is combining multiple methods together. For example, you can grow mosquito-repelling plants around your home, eliminate standing water every week, light a citronella candle during outdoor meals, use a fan while sitting outside, and apply a properly diluted natural repellent before heading outdoors. Each layer adds extra protection, and together they can make a noticeable difference in reducing mosquito activity. Remember that mosquitoes behave differently depending on the weather, humidity, location, and species. Some areas have far more aggressive mosquitoes than others. If you're traveling to regions where mosquito-borne illnesses are common, always follow local health guidelines and use proven insect repellents whenever necessary. Natural methods are excellent for everyday prevention, but they should complement, not replace, recommended protective measures in high-risk areas. We hope these 7 smart natural mosquito-repelling hacks help you enjoy your evenings without constantly swatting away mosquitoes or dealing with itchy bites. Small habits often make the biggest difference, and many of these tips take only a few minutes to put into practice. Try combining several of these natural methods over the next week and see which ones work best for your home and environment.